Hello, I'm John, the creator of Speak British English. In this video, you're going to learn how to pronounce this word like a British native. You're also going to learn how you can get a month of free access to my online pronunciation school. Listen as I demonstrate. Monero, Monero. As you can hear, this word has 3 syllables and the stress is on the second syllable. That means that the second syllable is pronounced higher than the other 2 syllables. Listen again, this time I'll demonstrate very slowly. Monero, Monero. Notice that I'm holding one stable note for the stressed syllable. Listen once more. This time I'll demonstrate the wrong way and the right way. Monero, Monero. The vowel in the second syllable is air. Here are some other words that have this sound. Air, bear, there, rare, prayer. Note that this is a monophthong, not a diphthong. Listen as I compare the right way with the wrong way. Air, air, bear, bear, there, rare, rare, prayer, prayer. As you can hear, when I do it the right way, I hold one long vowel sound. When I do it the wrong way, the sound changes, resulting in a diphthong. Listen again. Air, air, bear, bear, there, rare, rare, prayer, prayer. In the first syllable of Monero is the vowel Let me demonstrate. Monero, Monero. Notice that I'm not using the sound O, although that sound often corresponds with the letter O. And I'm not using the sound although that sound is used in the first syllable of money. Monero, Monero, Monero. The reason we use in the first syllable is that this is a weak syllable, and in English we generally use the sound for weak syllables. Here are some other examples. Around, esteem, upon, opinion. Because the first syllable in Monero is weak, we don't really need a vowel at all. Instead, we can go straight from the consonant to the n consonant. Let me demonstrate. Monero, Monero. In the third syllable of Monero is the diphthong O. Watch carefully. O, Monero, O, Monero. As you can see, I start this diphthong with this mouth shape. I then push my lips forward into a tight circle. Watch again. This time I'll demonstrate the wrong way and the right way. O, O. As you can see, when I do it the wrong way, I start with my lips pushed forward. When I do it the right way, I start with my lips relaxed and then push them forward. Watch again. O, O, Monero. The consonant sound at the start of the third syllable is r. When learning this sound, you should use a mouth shape like this. This is the same mouth shape that we use for the sounds f and v. Simultaneously, you should curl your tongue back as if you're trying to swallow it. Watch carefully. R, Monero. R, Monero. Make sure that you do not make a rolling sound with your tongue. If you have this problem, it's because you're not curling your tongue back far enough. Let me demonstrate. R, r. Here are some phrases using Monero. I use Monero. Monero is a privacy coin. To learn more about the sounds, concepts and techniques covered in this video, follow the link in the description to my online school. I currently have 4 courses covering all aspects of British pronunciation, with video lectures, quizzes, usage examples, vocal exercises and listening exercises. You can try all the courses for free, and full membership is available for only £15.97 a month. Use coupon code YouTube to get your first month free. Thanks for watching.